I also did a video on this. I'm going to put that in the description as well. Take me back to the days while I'm at university writing discussion for labs, eh? Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and the title of today's video is what else should be in an electrician's tool bag. And you notice that keyword else. What else should be in an electrician tool bag? The reason why that is the name, or that is the title of this video, is because I did another video where I featured this bag, my main bag, where I discuss what should be in an electrician's tool bag. Yeah, this is my next bag to that, which includes what else should be in an electrician's tool bag. So if you haven't watched that video, I would suggest you go and watch that video right here. It's going to pop up on the screen here, somewhere here. I'm also going to list the link in the discussion if I remember. So I'm just going to quickly go through these things, tell you what else should be in an electrician's tool bag, and this is according to me, of course. So this is not a standard, but it is based on my needs as an electrical contractor or as an electrician. So first thing we have here is an hacksaw. We have an hacksaw here that we use to cut pipe, both metal and plastic. An hacksaw. I have here a solder gun, a little piece of solder wire in there. Also have that in my bag. I have here a drill bit, a wall drill bit. I use this to drill through masonry. This is a 5/8 and the length of it is where do I find the length? Yeah, 12 inches. So that's 1 feet or 1 foot. What else we have here? This is a bag that I will put on my side when I'm doing certain work. Carry like tools, a screw and so forth in it. This is a DeWalt, what is it called? I don't know, but I think I might put the link to get that in the description as well. I have here a hammer drill, DeWalt hammer drill. I also did a video on this. I'm going to put that in the description as well. Take me back to the days while I'm at university writing discussion for labs, eh? Okay, so this is the hammer drill from DeWalt. Link will be in the description. I did a video on that. Link will be in the description. Also I might put the link to get that one on Amazon. I have here some extension cable, heavy duty extension cable. I built these myself, bought the material and built these extension cable myself, because you know sometimes when I'm using my tools like my drill or my other stuff that use electricity, I might not have a plug close to me or an outlet close to me, so I will need my extension. I have here Cat 5 cable, and I have this is a compact fish tape, Klein Tools fish tape. This is a compact version. I think I want to do a video on this. I think I'm going to do a video on this. But this is a compact Klein Tools fish tape. I have this is what, 50 feet. I have a next one, if I could just find that here. It's a bigger one. I don't keep that in this bag, but I have a bigger one here. So I have the compact Klein Tools fish tape, and then I have this big fish tape, which is, this one is how long again? I think this one is 100. Yeah, I think this one is 100 feet. Could be longer, but I know it's not shorter. So I think this is like 100 feet or something like that. I'm going to do 2 review videos on these 2 Klein Tools fish tape or fish wire, however you call it. Whoa, I almost smashed my toe right there. I have my safety vest. I don't always wear that, but I just bring it just in case. This is for persons who do networking. I don't do much networking. I bought this, I've never used it before, don't see the need to, but nonetheless I have it. I have this hammer. I forgot what this hammer is called, but I have it for when I'm breaking masonry. What else I have? I have this short Ethernet cable. I have this, what is this called? Sledgehammer. This is from S-Twing. Sledgehammer. Use that for a breaker. The reason why I have so much things for breaking masonry, most of the houses, I'm from Jamaica, and most of the houses in Jamaica, they are concrete and block. They are masonry, so I need a lot of those. It's not like in the US where a lot of the houses are from sheetrock. It's not like that. I have to break through a lot of masonry. I have here two outlets. I have two outlets. I have this thumb. It's a bit dirty. I use it sometimes when I'm again breaking masonry. I need to cover my hair from the dust. I have here more Ethernet cable. I have a pair of gloves, heavy duty gloves. Well, that wasn't a pair, that was a single glove, but here we have another pair, or have a pair. What else do we have? Chisel, again for breaking masonry. What else do we have here? I have this GFCI outlet tester. I have two of these in that other bag. I have another extra one, so I just throw that one in this bag here. So I have like 3 GFCI tester. 3 GFCI outlet tester. We have here what is this? This is a intermediate switch. No, it's not an intermediate switch. This is a double pole single throw switch. That's right? Yeah, double pole single throw switch. The reason why I know it's not an intermediate switch is because it has an on and an off. The intermediate switch doesn't have on and off on it. Some other tool right here for people who do networking. Never use this. I think you use this to find wire. You use this to trace wire or something like that. Let me just, don't even remember how to open it. How do I open this thing again? I think there is, hold on. I think there should be something that should be able to open, and I'll connect it and then trace the wire. Yeah, it's called a wire tracer. I don't use it. Oh my god. Okay, let me put down the phone and see if I can pull this thing. Okay, so now it's open. So you can use it to trace wire. It has different pins. This is alligator clip. This is, wow, I didn't even know that this had one of this. There are many times I need to okay, interesting. I think I need to really look into using this thing, you know. I had this thing and never use it, man. That's crazy. I think this is a cool tool. Yeah, this seems like a cool tool that I've never used to trace wire. How do I turn it on? Press on. It's not turning on. I hope let's hope that the battery is just dead. I really need to change the battery and try using this one of these days. What's it called? Wire tracer, multi-purpose wire tracer. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a small pliers. We had this cheap digital multimeter that I did a video on. That is the next glove for the other glove. We have these are some blades for my DeWalt reciprocating saw. Plug cover for surface plug. We have a breaker, circuit breaker. This is a 2-in-1 circuit breaker for 15 amp and 20 amp. What else do we got here? I think this bag mostly consists of a whole lot of junk. Switch cover. This is called what's it called? I don't remember what this is called. What else do you got here? More Ethernet cable. In this bag I have some coupler. I call them coupling. They're also called coupler. They are for conduit. So these are for the 20 mm conduit, 20 millimeter conduit. These are for the 32 millimeter conduit, and I think I have also for the, this is for the 1-inch conduit. What else do I got here? These are another cheap old pliers. I got like the real big deal pliers in my main bag. What else do I got? Ethernet cable and old switch. Yep, that's about it. I think this bag consists of a lot of junk, but it also consists of some very useful things. This is a antenna for wireless cameras. I have 2 of them, antennas for wireless cameras. So that is it, guys. That was another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Dana's Electrical Services. Also, if you haven't watched the video of what should be in an electrician's tool bag featuring whatever I have in that bag, you can go ahead and watch that video right now. So yep, thank you guys for watching this video.